Garma Rachi. Garmaamuu Tola phone ana Karachi.
Bareedu. Ati, you are bareedu.
You me Bareto, you Bareta.
Say, you victim. Du garapin victim ila. Me bareedu, you bareta eti.
Okay. Me Bareto, you my Bareta. Okay.
Yes. तुम मेरी बरेटू है, मैं तेरा बरेटा हूँ.
Yes, yes.
You know?
Flari Togo Togo, Flari Togo Togo, Flari Togo Togo.
You know what we call a girl with amazing charm?
Yeah.
You have that charm. So, in my language, they call you Simbo.
Me Simba, you Simba.
Garmaamuu Tola.
Oh, no.
Guys, share goda. Ani baise mucci kana tiner mutanan ada mana kan biram berbadu baise. Imbar badu bak ashivani male nama biram berbadu.
Shiva, Rachi Barmana Africano. Flari Togo Togo, Flari Togo Togo, Flari Togo Togo, Flari Togo Togo.
Guys, let's win. One another bunkaba. Let's win. How much is punishment, Shivani? Habibti?
Only for you, 1,000.
Ah.
Okay, 2,000.
Ah.
5,000. I'm not going to cut that. 5,000.
मेरा औकात 5,000 रुपये से ज्यादा है.
मेरा तो मिलियन से भी ऊपर है. यहाँ तो कोई दे नहीं सकता है.
जानता हूँ ना मैं.
He has 5 kids.
शिवानी नहीं no शिवानी no.
How to say dog in your language?
Sare.
1 second. Sami, you sare?
Sare, guys, treatment.
You sare?
Yes, you sare, Dini.
Sin jalada.
I love you.
Love you too, my.
Say.
Say
Sinjalada.
Sin jalada.
Garmaamuu Tola.
Garmaamuu Tola phone anaka. Matinu Oroma as 0. इसका मतलब क्या होता है?
क्या?
No one is like you. Okay. What's the meaning of this? Martino Oroma as 0.
Martino Oromo si jallata means every Oromo loves you.
I love you too, team. You know what? More than you, I like your audience. They always, in my comments, Shivani, you are the best. You are the best.
More than me?
Yeah, because they loves me. Ethiopia loves me.
क्या मतलब?
Shivani ati Oromoda. Shivani ati Oromoda means?
ये कहा तुम ओरोमो हो.
Yeah, me